The countdown is now on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And countdown for what, I hear you ask? If you're watching this in real time, the 25% off early booking savings for the photo reading class end soon. And that's the in-person class, the next one coming up. So if you want to next level your mind, brain power, neurology, tap into your limitless potential, your intuition, your creativity, your decision-making skills, activate your genius potential, really ramp up your critical thinking, then join us for this groundbreaking class. Book now, bit.ly/photo reading in person. Main website, because there are also global on-demand classes, transformations.com/photo reading. That's TRANCE, F for Freddy, FORMATIONS.com/photo reading. One of the cool things about photo reading is getting into the flow state and living your life in that way. And it is like opening up a whole new world. Just mind-blowing in ways that you probably can't even begin to imagine as you watch or listen to this. Now, for myself, I've expert, professional. These are some of the things that people have actually said on feedback forms: qualified, reliable, competent. My name is Marilyn Devonish. I've been a certified photo reading instructor, executive coach and corporate trainer since 2002, and have been a therapist, I say multidisciplinary therapist, and trained in about 20 different modalities since October 2000. If you are ready to break through, make today the day, and you can get started as soon as today. As I said, main website transformationstn.com. Also sign up for the e-newsletter list, mailing list for exclusive offers. You can go to bit.ly.com/ELENL sign up, as in newsletter sign up. If you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe. We've got some weird algorithm stuff going on. And if you're on social media, then like and share. That'll be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Have a fantabulous, wonderful and blessed week, month and year ahead. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, over and out.